Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. The channel's 1 year old and I want to thank you all for almost helping me to reach 500 subscribers. And in this video, you know me for making commercial gas engineer videos, but I want to encourage you to stop going to the builder's cafe and to stop eating junk. Alright, how are we going to do that? By looking up some things. So there's an app I've told you about before. This app is called Yuka. It's one where it's a free app and you can use it to scan certain items. Moving on, we have some devices that can help you save time. So over here we have a Tefal. It's a Tefal CY55E40. It costs £100 on Amazon. But you can also get a Instant Pot, which costs about £70 on Amazon. They are quick, they are easy to clean, and you can look online for recipes, such as using YouTube or the Yum app or the Instant Pot app. And here is the Yum app, for example. You can put different ingredients in and whip up a meal very quickly and without having to watch it. And it will tell you once it is cooked. So this is something where you can prepare your meals for work rather than going to the builder's cafe, wasting your money, and also eating more healthy. Another machine I have here, it's a bit more expensive. You can look on eBay and get it for a good price. It's called a Thermomix. You might be fortunate if you find a brand new one around about the £600 mark. But have a look, you can make many different things. If you're more of an adventurous cooker, you can cook different things. This can make yogurts, smoothies, soup, and various things, rice and so on. The Tefal CY55E40 also makes rice and so on, but bigger portions. This would make smaller portions, but look up the Thermomix as well. These are devices that help you cook when you don't have much time, but you can cook healthy and cook varied meals with them. So here you have it in motion. Okay, so I've got my veg and lentil pasta here. It took only about 15 minutes for it to make. A little bit of time to prepare it, but hardly any time. Didn't need to watch it. The machine tells me when it's ready, and I have a nice healthy meal ready for work. So this is the bottom of the bowl. Again, this is some of the utensils that you get with it. Again, and this is the bowl out of the machine. This is the Thermomix machine inside with its blade and so on, and the lid off. Do look into this machine. And it just helps you go through step by step of what to do and so on, and the different speeds and so on. Around here you have the cook key that has recipes on it. Okay, so if we have a look at here, the Thermomix, it's a TM5 model. It's not the latest model, but it's still pretty recent. Okay, you have a menu in here. Apologies that it's in Spanish, but you get the general gist. So you switch along and it will tell you what to do along the go. It just helps you step by step with different recipes. How much the weight needs to be. It's got a way of weighing how much the ingredients are. Okay, this gives you step-by-step instructions what to do. Okay, thank you for joining me and helping the channel over the last year. I hope this helps you out to eat healthier. Until next time, bye bye bye.